What is up, YouTube? It's been a while since I've been here. Ace here, back again, Ace News World, and this is Paranormal File segment. We are here at Sloss Furnace.
Or at the museum.
Yeah, Sloss Furnace Museum. Correct. Where Sloss Furnace takes place there in October. Come see us. But anyways, this is my brother Andy. He's a fellow paranormal investigator with me, and we were in the blow engine room behind us here, and I was in a special place called the locker room, and I got some responses on this app that we use.
It's very accurate. Even other paranormal investigators also use this app from time to time.
So
and I'm going to show you what he had called.
my responses that I got. By the way, I am different. I don't know what I am. I'm a light worker. That's all I know at this point. So yeah, you can see where I first walked in at different. Alright, it could tell I was different from most people that walk in there. Then it said food, like it wanted food. Funnily enough, there's a cup in there. We don't know where it came from, but it was there when we got there. Then it said street, opposite. I had sat down in this certain spot, and I looked to one side of me, and that popped up for me to look at the other side. Then strong popped up and talk. It was talking to me a bit. Strong, I'm guessing it sensed that I was strong. I don't know. And then if you can see that. Anyways, it says shameful and assaulted. So apparently whatever's in there, this is a locker room with a shower, by the way. So assaulted shamefully in a case. So apparently there was a case on this.
Use your imagination on the shameful and let your mind wander.
Yeah. So at this point I call Andy in there, because Andy was sitting outside waiting. And when he came in, he kind of got shocked at what he saw. I'll let him explain from there.
Pretty much, he was standing on the right side.
My left side.
My right, his left, reverse. And even though I happened to sidestep, and I got the feeling of he wanted me to feel what he was feeling. The show to kind of get a point across, so to speak. So, he hits me, I go down.
Yeah, he hit the wall, by the way, guys. He hit the wall behind him.
And normally
Looked shocked. That don't happen.
That crap don't happen to me that much. But when it does, it's just wake up and start paying attention. And I want to be heard type of thing. I got so emotional of what I felt. I even started crying. I felt so bad for this person. So what I'm going to do now, since we're going to change up the game a little bit.
Yeah, I'm switching out because describe what you saw sitting next to me.
I'd seen a guy that had been, so to speak, I'm going to clean it up as much as I can, but the crap beat out of him. Black eye, busted jaw, busted nose, tall figure, probably I'd say about what, 6 foot, could be awful few, but this guy, folks, you could tell he was embarrassed, and he had so many damn beat marks on him, like he had just pretty much got the shit beat out of him. Excuse my French, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. But yeah, I'm going in to see if I could be more of a useful, see if he wants to talk to me.
Well, I'm behind the camera filming. I'll be filming. We're going to see what we get.
Hopefully we'll catch something and have something for y'all.
And maybe we can get this guy's story out. Maybe that's what he wants.
And it shook me so daggum bad, folks. You can ask the person behind the camera. He's never seen me like that.
He had tears in his eyes. So,
and right back here, It's where we're going to be. On the other side of this wall.
So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, we will be back very shortly. And we are back. We are inside the blow engine room now.
The energy is still different. Very good.
Normal. You usually feel stuff in here. This is the most active location at Sloss, in my opinion. For those of you who haven't seen Sloss, don't know what it is an old iron factory. It was the world's largest, fourth largest iron producer in the world. You see these turbines. I want to show y'all these real quick before we go to the locker room. These turbines. Back when Sloss was in operation, these used to go, what was the RPM on these?
I'm not sure.
It was quite a bit. Anyways, a guy allegedly
You need something?
Oh, we're already getting activity. Alright, so right here, apparently, in this very spot that we're standing.
Kevin. I just got a name. Kevin.
Kevin. This could be Kevin. But anyways, he was eating a sandwich, and apparently,
Just
he's eating a sandwich next to the turbine.
where I'm standing. No, may I remind you, no grate, nothing to protect them from
Yeah, there was no grates here at the time. OSHA.
crash.
Anyways, we got people. As I was saying, guys, there was a man, like I said, like we were saying, sitting there eating a sandwich, no grate there behind him, and he got pulled into this turbine. Gone, instantly, no stop.
Before they could stop it, it's too late.
Too late. So,
late.
Kevin, or whoever, rest in peace, and I'm sorry for...
What happened to you?
Yep. Alright, let's go to the locker rooms. We're on our way to the locker rooms, and he just got hit with a rush of vertigo.
Alright, the ghost box is up. Alright. Coming back. You want to tell your story to me or to tell the story to him?
We're here to listen.
And tell me, let me be able to feel what you let me feel earlier. May I? I'm already getting spikes on the EMF. May I remind you, ladies and gentlemen, I cleared out what you had seen on there earlier, so we could have comparisons. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna ease in now. That cord tripping.
First word.
Ugly. You calling me ugly? I know I'm better looking than you, but you know, no insults. No. You LGY, you ain't got no alibi.
Ugly. Ugly. Yeah, he ugly. Sydney.
Shit, I know what you did last summer. Oh, that was a good movie.
And mind you, it is this dark in here. Over here, I'm already getting chills just walking in here.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Over in here in this corner, showers. This is where they used to take their showers.
Nothing's over there. It's letting me know.
I was sitting right here.
Ow.
I was sitting right there, and I felt something over here. And that's where he saw the figure. Now, he didn't know that I knew that something was over there when he came in here. Alright.
If anybody want to talk to me, I'm here to listen. And the beep that y'all might be able to hear is my ghost box going off and detecting energy fluctuation. I just spoke. Coughing, ladies and gentlemen.
Coffin?
Am I in your coffin right now?
Is this where you died?
How did you die? Am I feeling you right now? Getting chill.
Take a couple of still shots.
Yeah. Who's on my right? What is your name?
Just saw a glitch in the camera.
I'm trying to take the energy that surrounds here and talk to us. We're here to listen. I want to talk to you about this case that I heard about. Does anybody know about this case? Or who was mistreated? Or what was it?
Assaulted.
Assaulted in here. Was anybody assaulted in the locker room shower?
Okay, that was weird.
What? Did you catch something?
Yeah, I just saw an orb flying this way.
Toward me?
Towards the locker.
The one on my left side?
Yeah.
There he is. Dying.
Dawn.
D-O-N. Dying. Lazy.
Hang on.
Dawn came through.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh my god. I smell sulfur. In here.
Same.
It smells like fucking raw eggs. Or sewage or something.
Mind you, there's no bugs in here, so I don't know what that orb was earlier. I don't see no bugs.
I kind of felt that's the reason I kind of had my, see, it's all in here. It's all between these two lockers and these.
Uh-huh.
Because look at my,
That's what I was feeling.
because it's just, dude, alone. They just said alone. This one. I don't know, I just felt something. Dude, look at my hairs on my... Dude, we're here to listen, we're trying to help. We just need you to talk to us. I'm gonna stand up. EMF gets off these. Ah. Whose locker is this? Looks like somebody walked up on me from behind me.
Whoa. Andy.
Huh?
Something came from that way. To this locker.
From the one behind me?
Right. It went into this one. Okay, whoa.
Behind me?
Something said.
I thought I saw something. Which? Right or left?
I don't know what's causing these things to fly in front of the camera like that. Like, I'm trying to figure it out.
Alright, whatever's flying around the camera over here needs to talk into the device that will not hurt you that I'm holding. Or are you trying to get me away from that seat over there? There it goes. Skill.
Come here, Andy. Take a picture of this. Let's. Whoa. I saw 3-4 things shoot up when you walked over here. Another one.
Are you following me?
No, I think they all went to sit down. I just saw one shoot down. Alright, y'all. I think we got plenty of evidence. I'm ready to get out of here.
Y'all be easy. Y'all be safe.
Have a good night, Sloss. And y'all on YouTube or wherever I decide to post this, y'all have a good day as well. Ace and my boy Andy
Happy hunting.
signing out. Paranormal Files, y'all. Stay spooky.